In this video, we will see how to solve a problem on projectile. This is a projectile motion problem in which you can see that a stone is being thrown from the top of the building at an angle of 30 degree with an initial speed of 20 meter per second. The height from which the stone is thrown is 45 meter. So the first step is we are going to find the components of the velocity, initial velocity, horizontal velocity and vertical velocity. That is 20 cos 30 and 20 sin 30. Horizontal is getting cos because the angle is given with the horizontal. Okay, so let's see how to solve this problem. The height is 45 meters, so the displacement will be negative 45 meter because it's downwards. It's asking for how long does it take for the stone to reach the ground. So we'll use the equation delta y equal to VIT plus half AT square. Substitute the values of velocity and height, that is delta y, which is negative. Acceleration is negative 9.8. We get a quadratic equation in time. We can solve the quadratic equation to get the answer for time, that is 4.22 seconds. Second part, it's asking for speed of the stone. Speed of the stone will have two components, horizontal and vertical. Horizontal is 20 cos 30. Vertical will be found by using the formula Vf equal to Vi plus At because there is acceleration in the vertical direction. So now we substitute Vi, which is 20 sin 30, and acceleration negative 9.8, time is 4.22 from the first part. Solve it, get the answer for vertical velocity as negative 31.356 meter per second. You can see that the vertical velocity is negative because the ball is going downwards. Horizontal velocity, you can use calculator to get that value, 17.3 meter per second. Now we have to combine this to get the speed. So that is root of Vh square, that is horizontal velocity square plus vertical velocity square. Substitute the values. Again, with the help of calculator, we can get the final answer as 35.8 meter per second.